If you are new to cricket or you have been watching cricket for a decent period of time, there's one mandatory figure within this game, certain master by the name of Virat Kohli from India. Well, Kohli has been the hottest property of cricket ever since his arrival and currently the undisputed number one. From being a normal Delhi guy to being the best in the world, his courageous boys has to be at least saluted. Not only the numbers he has accumulated throughout his career, the impacts he is having on and off the field is just commendable. He literally took Tendulkar's position in Indian cricket and has sustained with that pressure throughout his career. That's why Kohli will go down in history as one of the greatest players of all time. Now, if you are a follower of cricket for a long time, which includes myself, there's one noticeable yet unusual thing that has happened with Kohli's career. A barren land of century. Yeah, a barren land of century. You heard me right. It's been 777 days since his last century, which was way back in November 22, 2019. And it's been more than 2 years since his last ODI century. This is quite a gap for someone like Kohli, who is always expected to score a century at least per a series. But it is what it is. Having said so, the question could be, has that affected him? The simple answer to this question is a slam dunk no. Mentality monster like Virat Kohli simply won't give a damn to these things. They just focus on one game and one ball at a time. In fact, Kohli's number hasn't changed that much due to lack of centuries. He is still the only batsman with an average of over 50 in all formats. And the important question could be, has that affected India? Or will this lack of century affect India in the future, especially in the more important ICC events? Well, these are questions that does not have binary answers, but we can always speculate and predict what might have happened or what will happen as a supporter of cricket. So, narrowing down our analysis, let's get to the most important part of this video. Has this lack of century affected India? Well, in one hand, maybe not at all. That's because India are ever improving and slowly turning into the superpower of cricketing world. Like many experts claim, a captain is as good as his team. So there we go. In fact, Kohli's number hasn't changed significantly due to lack of century, and to be perfectly honest, India is not a one-man team anymore. They have other match winners like Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, KL Rahul and so on. But on the other hand, this lack of centuries might have affected India or will affect in the future, especially in the major ICC tournaments. In a bilateral series or a tri-series, this problem may not be apparent, but this will be a problem in the ICC tournament. 2015 World Cup semi-final, 2017 Champions Trophy final, and even in the recently concluded 2019 World Cup and a Test Championship final, Kohli couldn't play significant role, let alone score a century. And for that, Kohli was heavily criticized. With the standard that he has set himself for, he is always expected to score a century, and his expectation on his shoulder is as big as like Tendulkar used to have from billions of Indians. That's why it can sometimes be double-edged sword being a mainstream player. Love can easily turn into hate and vice versa. You either take all the credits or get hammered. That's the name of the game. Again, coming back to my point, will this affect him? Well, a simple answer is a no. But will this affect India? Well, it may. If India win major trophy without Kohli's significant performance, no any discussion will come into effect. But if India don't win any major trophy and subsequently if Kohli does not perform in future, he will be heavily criticized even more than before. He will be the man first targeted from every angle possible, even greater than before. And as far as this barren land of century or lack of century is concerned for Virat Kohli, it's just a matter of time that he will score something big. Maybe he will score this elusive century in the next match, or maybe after a month or a year. You never know with cricket. Yeah, you never know with cricket. Well, having said all this, the time is up for this video, and as ever, these are my thoughts and opinions about something related to the cricket. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion about this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.